He can't. He's in again. 180 started at like Rod Harrington. This is amazing.
I'm going to ask you a little question in a minute, Freddie, because this lad's Dutch, and he's got another 180!
Surely Van Gerwen cannot let me see a 9 down. Van Gerwen! Oh, he's in for treble 19. Go on, Van Gerwen, do it all! Yeah! It's the 9 down finish, Tungsten! The first one I've seen in the commentary box! Go on, Van Gerwen!
So, why is this relevant? Well, I'm going to be talking about tungsten in darts. Tungsten is the symbol W on the periodic table. See? It's right there. Tungsten is a transition metal with the atomic number 74. It is rare and only found in compounds. Tungsten is found in the grip of the dart. Right here. It is suitable for this use because it is a hard metal, so it doesn't break when it comes into contact with the board. It is also quite light, so it's easy for the dart players to throw, as we can see here from Field of Power table. Tungsten makes up about 70 to 80% of the dart, so therefore is an important structure of the dart. Now we go on to the macroscopic property of tungsten. Tungsten has a Young's modulus of 411 gigapascals, which is 4.11 times 10 to the power of 11 pascals. It reinforces the fact that tungsten is a stiff material. If it is stiff, it is not easy to stretch. Tungsten is also a very tough material, so a lot of energy will be required to propagate the cracks in the metal. This means that the energy that goes through the dart when it hits the board will not break the tungsten. Tungsten is also often brittle and only malleable when it's in its purest form. Tungsten is also not ductile. Tungsten also has the highest tensile strength of any metal. Now I'm going to talk about the microscopic properties of tungsten. Tungsten has a body-centered crystalline structure. This means that it has one lattice point at the center. It also means it is dense in air, which is what the darts players will want because the dart will fly through the air. Tungsten, when in its purest form, is quite malleable, so therefore when it's pounded, the displacements in the metal move to the edges, so that the grains move to a closer proximity of each other. This micrograph shows the grains and displacements. The fact that it's malleable means it can be shaped into the shape of the dart grip. Next, I will talk about the extraction of tungsten from tungsten 6 oxide. This is the equation for the extraction of tungsten from tungsten 6 oxide. A cloud of hydrogen is used in this reaction in a heat between 550 to 850 degrees Celsius. An excess of hydrogen is used and this carries away the steam produced during the reaction. The hydrogen is dried and recycled with water. Since tungsten is only found in compounds, this will have to be used to acquire the purest form of tungsten. Then the tungsten that is made is used in the dart.